Tell me that swimming pool doesn't look amazing. Very nice. Welcome to Your Shell. My name is Ginge, or for now, Consultant Ginge. I've had so many people address me and privately message me, which I appreciate, about moving to Siem Reap, Cambodia. So what I've been doing now is looking at some different property options, from high value to cheaper things. I want you to come out of your shell, try something new, come here, find that simplistic happiness. I'm going to enjoy finishing my walk. Okay, welcome back to Out Your Shell. Jing and I, we've got another property to show you. Now, the area right near Macro, beautiful road, very quiet. You've got the local market nearby and everything you need is very local. It's about 25 minutes away from Pub Street though. So let's show you this beautiful big wooden gate at the beginning. Wooden door, the design, I love this. And the plants. This is going to be a beautiful one, way above my class. So as you enter, you've got these beautiful doors. There's some light, here we go. Key card, light. Okay. Coven doors. Now this is the one bedroom, this is a studio. I do believe that they allow short-term and long-term stay. Beautiful though, the wooden design of everything, the wardrobes. Coming into your bathroom, which is very, yeah, it's nice. This is a amazingly high quality place. The design of wooden.
This house has 4 bedrooms. The asking is 2,000.
Ooh, okay. So with this space, this is 4 separate bedrooms. Now it's not one contained unit. You do have to leave your place in order to go to the other bedrooms. So yeah, another bedroom. You know, these are just high quality sort of rooms to rent. Okay to go up. Lovely. Oop. Beautiful stairs. A very well kept place, the garden. Very beautiful. Yeah, some beautiful paintings. Your own little balcony space, outdoor seating. Very nice. And I think the same in each one. So yeah, in each one have your nice bed, the wooden beams on the top, very nice indeed. Natural lighting, everything you need. Oh, thank you, Jane. Some fridge, lovely. And for all 4 units, this whole building is 2,000. So great if you want to come here, if you know you're going to have guests, or maybe even to potentially start a small business with it. It's beautiful, great place, lovely. Okay. Okay, so this is a separate piece to rent, right, Jing?
Yeah.
Lovely. How much is this one? Let's have a look. See. Beautiful seating area. Look at that. Some order at the front. I'm sure it'll be maintained. Hammocks for you to relax. This whole place is enclosed. This is one unit, so no one will be invading your space. Seating area, beautiful wooden, some Khmer instruments. Very nice.
Asking is 1,500.
1,500, nice. So all of this whole area, 3 bedroom as well.
Yeah.
Very nice. Beautiful Khmer sculptures with the instruments. Beautiful. And then you have your bedroom here. There's 3 of these mirrors. Again, the wood. Very nice. Very nice. Very traditional Khmer mixed with that modern walling. Cozy kitchen, stove, fridge, freezer, cabinets. Again, I always like detail in everything. The detail. Very nice. Very nice. What's that? Outdoor? Oh, some backyard action. So this waterway goes all the way around the front. I'm sure that you can put some fish in it. Big wooden feature, if you guys are into your wood like myself. They've made this carved wooden piece. Very nice. Some Khmer storytelling, water buffalo, the spears. Very nice, very nice. I do love the houses with wood everywhere. Okay, upstairs again, this is the same thing, 1,500. Balcony, overlooking everything, a swimming pool for community. Very nice, very nice. A nice fake deer with the antlers. Nice. Very cool, Jim. The traditional Cambodian headboards made of very nice wood, all engraved. Some wall paintings, designs, some mats. Lovely. Again, another bathroom, shower, your typical 2 shower heads, bathroom, mirror. Lovely. Another shower. The 3rd bedroom, spacious, lovely curtains. Everything here's a bit higher quality. Very nice. Even some coffee if you need it. So again, if you're a business owner moving over here, if you're retired and you've got a great pension, this is a very nice place. 1,500, 3 bedrooms, completely isolated from the rest of Siem Reap. Community pool, lovely garden, amazing garden, and the neighbouring houses. There's only 4, so if you take this one, there's only 3 other people living here. Very nice, very nice. I would stay here if I had extendable money. On to the 3rd and last property to show you. The other one's currently being rented. So you've got the bird of paradise flowers at the front, beautiful. Oh wow! Woo. Oh my, very nice, beautiful. So as you wake up, get your coffee from the kitchen or your toast, jump in the jacuzzi swimming pool. Very nice open space. I can already envision what life will be like. You come in, open your windows, beautiful view of the garden, the neighbours, sit down, make your coffee. Again, every allotment has these amazing designed Khmer knives, Khmer instruments with a tortoise shell. Very nice, very nice, very stylized. And then from your kitchen in your swimming pool, pop upstairs, keep your legs fit. Jing and I will have very strong legs after today. Lovely. And then you can enter your home. So again, these beautiful elephant gate sculptures, ready. Khmer artwork from the puppet theatre, even a cowboy hat apparently. Okay, let's have a look around. Amazing, amazing places. Here we have your shower, bathroom, very clean. I can literally smell the cleaning material. Natural lighting coming in. Beautiful, I like that. Exit in there. Oh yeah, look at that. Beautiful. So we got a double bed, so great for a family unit. Natural lighting, beautiful architecture and design done to it. Very nice. And again, if I'm right and it doesn't break, I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to do it. Beautiful window outlooking the gardens. Very nice, Jane. How much is this one? Do you know?
The asking is 1,500.
1,500? Cool. And if you are a spiritual yogi, over here, there we go. Open up your windows. You have this very comfy, small space. If you're into your yoga, your meditation, this is heaven. This is very cool. Bongo the orangutan needs to come here and do this. Very nice. Look at that. Beautiful. Awesome. So 1,500 to have your own mini paradise. It's nice, Jing. You like it?
I like it.
Yeah, it's very cool. Even the lights are designed.
Yeah.
Very cool. Lovely, lovely. Good. That's going to be it for this video. This is more of a high class one. You got these two properties. You can rent the whole thing. Jing, you know how much for all of them? 5.
4.
4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, and how much to rent them all?
The owner is asking is 3,000.
3,000 for them all.
Yeah.
There you go. So if you can move here, take this one. Give Isa, Sai and I this one. Ching, you want one? Ching can go over there, see? And we have a swimming pool. Lovely. Come out, Shell. I'll conjure Ching. Thank you. Come out, Shell. Find Simplistic Happiness. Comment down below if you want one of these, because it'd be great for Ching as well to get these gone. We want these gone to you. So lovely. Bye. Bye.
Okay.